Hi guys, and welcome back to Buy Direct Online. Today we're just going to do a quick video and overview on the modern flip top table. Now this flip top table is very versatile and obviously comes with the full metal frame. As you can see here, all these parts are metal, even the locking mechanism is metal, making it very strong and durable out in the field, especially in high use and heavy use commercial applications. The actual lock and tilt mechanism is automatic, so when you are locking it down, all you do is put your hand and lock it into position, and there we are. It's locked in very firm. As you can see, it locks in and there's no movement in that top. Now to release it, I find that if you put your thumbs on the front and your hands inside, give it a quick pull, and there we go, it's released. Very simple to operate. Comes in 3 different colours. So you've got your black and chrome, then you've got your all black frame, and then all white frame. So 3 great colours to choose from. The tops, we obviously manufacture those, and they come in a range of colours. There's 5 different stock colours there, which is the white, and then your beech timber, and then cherry timber, then dark cherry timber, and the grey. So it's a 150 kilo rating on this frame, and you've obviously got locking casters there, which is 4 locking casters. They're a 60mm caster, so they roll quite well, as you can see on the carpet, and then you can lock it in position. Then the other thing I'd like to just explain quickly, we get quite a few questions in regards to the sitting on the end of the table. Now, as you can see, just unlock that caster. They lock pretty well. As you can see at the end here, the leg is situated in. Now, I'd like to quickly just demonstrate how easy it is to change that leg positioning. We get a number of installers that ask where we'd like it put. Now, that's really up to whether you want a chair, and if you wanted to put a chair in on the end, and if not, and you wanted perhaps more distance between the legs, this is how easy it actually is to change it over. So you just lift up your leg. You know, you can pop it on the end, or you can pop it in like so. But look, for this application and for the video, we'll just show you popping it on the end there. Pop your cap on top, and then you've got a couple of nice long bolts to go in there. Let's do them up nice and tight. Just got it in low speed here, and there we have it. So as you can see, you've got your leg on the end of the table, so quite flexible. The actual beam is also extendable, so we do 2 top sizes, 1500 and 1800, so you can actually change the beam length if you wanted it obviously longer for an 1800, or a little bit less if you wanted for your 1500. You can actually bring the beam in. I trust this video has been helpful. If you'd like any more information, please don't hesitate to contact us today. We've been supplying this particular model for over 10 years now to the Australian market, and more than happy to help you. Thanks very much, and have a good day.